Good morning, one and all. Respected Chairman, Mr. Sandipan Reddy, the directors of the school, sports coach, Mr. Vijay Pad, CCA committee member, Ashish Deshmukh sir, and Sushma Gangane, all my teachers, parents, and my dear students. Now we are heading towards oath taking ceremony. First, I would congratulate each and every elected member of Student Council 2020. Heartiest congratulations. When a person swears an oath, they often show that the oath is very important to them by calling God to see and remember the promise, and to show that the promise is true and cannot be taken back. The students took an oath to be active and responsible members of the council and abide by all the rules and regulations of the school. The oath taking ceremony marked a significant beginning of the first academic year. It was a solemn occasion where the young students were all prepared to don the mantle of leadership and discharge the responsibilities entrusted upon them by the school. Let's begin oath ceremony. I request all the student council members to be in position and repeat after me. I promise
I promise
I promise
I will serve my fellow students,
I will serve my fellow students,
school,
I will serve my students
school
school
sincerely.
sincerely.
We endeavor
I will
I
endeavor
will endeavor
to be a perfect role model
to be
to be a perfect role model
of discipline. Of discipline.
of discipline.
We actively take part in
I
I will actively take part in
in
school activities
school activities
school activities,
and endeavor to bring
endeavor to bring
laurels and glory
laurels, glory
praise and glory
to it
to it
to it.
as a perfect
as a perfect
The perfect
uphold
uphold
loyalty to the traditions
loyalty to the tradition
and ethos of the school.
and
ethos of the school.
school.
Thank you.
Thank you.
After the oath, I allow all the members of Student Council to assume their position. Thank you so much, everyone. Over to you, Ashish sir.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your kind cooperation, and congratulate to all the newly appointed leaders. So now, if your actions, now what is meant by leader truly? सबसे पहले हमको देखना है what is meant by leader. Leader यानी क्या? So leader यानी if your actions inspires others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a truly leader. Means leader यानी what? So leader यानी क्या? जो खुद को एक्शन से, खुद की एक्शन से दूसरों को इंस्पायर करता है. So that are the truly leaders. So now move towards the next program. Now it's time to listen the leaders. First of all, I would like to call Ishan to give his speech. Ishan, over to you.
Yes, sir. Very good morning, everyone present here. Myself, Ishan Vijayakumar Ferd, student of class 9 of Synergy National School. Today, I am very glad to speak from this position of head boy. It's my privilege to be addressing you today as the head boy of the school for this academic year of 2020 to 21. This year will no doubt be a very challenging year for me as I will try to play part to lead the school in positive direction and take up some responsibilities for the school. This is my biggest leadership opportunity so far I have done, and I promise to do the most of the opportunities that have been given to me as the head boy. This is happiest day for me, but at the same time, this post of head boy reminds me that this post is not to given me to be just happy. This is given to me to accomplish all the duties that I ought to do for the school and students. At this moment, I am filled with enthusiasm to begin this fantastic new journey as head boy of the school, and it would be successful only with your valuable support and blessings of all the teachers and all the elder ones. At last, I thank to all the students and my friends who supported me, trusted me, and have put faith in me. And also, I thank to all my teachers who thought me capable to take up these responsibilities and opportunities. Thank you all.
Yes. Thank you, Ishan, for your speech. So now, the head girl of our school, Samiksha Jadoo, please share your views. Samiksha, please share your views.
Good morning, all. Good morning, all. I, Ms. Samiksha Raju, is standing over here on the position of newly elected head girl of Synergy National School. What is leadership? Leadership isn't a position or a title. It is action and example. I now realize the gravity of this quote because a leader has many responsibilities and expectations to complete so that they can lead as an example. If you want everyone else to be passionate, dedicated, committed, and motivated, you should always go first. It is a matter of great distinction to be humbled by the faith provided by you all in me as the head girl of such a great school. I would like to thank all of you, those who believed in me and my abilities to lead the school. Being elected as the head girl of this school, I, Samiksha Jaju, see this as a great opportunity. An opportunity to indeed values and spread harmony, peace in others' lives. An opportunity to lead by an example. This indeed is an opportunity to create a shared vision for a better society. I assure that I will lead the school only with the stating exemplary results. We will take the school to higher peaks of success. We will travel this road together and bring highest awards. Thank you so much.
Yes, congratulations to all newly appointed leaders. Thank you, Samiksha. So now, I would like to call Mr. Sandeepan Reddy, sir, for their valuable guidance. Over to you, sir.
So, good morning, everyone, and it's really good to see everyone on a Sunday morning, right? So school तो अपना होता ही नहीं है, लेकिन Sunday को I could see around 70 plus participants, including the teachers. So that's very good morning. You all have taken time and you have come to see who are the leaders and how do they take the oath. So first of all, congratulations to all the team, to the head boy Ishan, to the head girl Samiksha, and all the house leaders Purnima, Sanskruti, Akaif, Sakshi, and Abhishek. So see, this is where everything comes out. Like you could say Ashish and Vijay, they said, or Samiksha and Ishan also, what is leadership? Ye leadership kya hai? There are a lot of things about leadership. But what I learned about all leadership in my school days, leadership participation is important. Leadership responsibility के साथ आती है, but participation is very important. So there are 4 or 5 types of leadership. हम लोगों को आज पता चलता है कि there is only political leadership. So can we have our mics mute, so that will help me to really come up with something which I've learned all my life. See, we all know about only political leadership. Or political leadership, we know a few names. We know Indira Gandhi ji, we know Narendra Modi ji, and so this is only we know कि leadership किसी ने अगर if you hear a word leader, you say it has to be political. No. So now there are a lot of leadership. There are educational leaderships, there are business leaderships, there are philosophical leaderships, and there are professional leaderships. So leaderships are completely in a different role, and this is a chance, students. This is the chance for you to participate. मुझे याद है 35 years I passed out of my school. Now it is 35 years, and I still remember my head boys and head girls of my school. So क्या होता है, juniors आपको याद करते हैं. Juniors lifelong. I've never ever missed their names. कि प्रकाश मिसाल से लेके I can give my कल्याण मोराडे से आज तक 35 years. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज जूनियर्स आपको इतनी अच्छी तरीके से देखते हैं ना, आप कहीं पे भी मिलो, I meet them. इनफैक्ट आई ट्रैवल अ नंबर ऑफ कंट्रीज आल्सो ना, वहां मुझे कुछ मिला तो अच्छा यू आर फ्रॉम एनएमएस, अच्छा दिस बैच आई नो यू बिकॉज यू आर द हेड बॉय प्रीफेक्ट और हाउस कैप्टन। हमारे हाउस कैप्टन भी आज भी याद है। सो रोल्स एक्सेप्ट करो, बिकॉज लीडरशिप है ना, ये बुक्स में सिखाई नहीं जाएगी आपको। कोई साइंस मैथ्स इंग्लिश ये है ना, ये सिर्फ सिखाया नहीं जाएगा। लीडरशिप आपको प्रूव करनी पड़ेगी। यू हैव टू हैव अ प्लेटफॉर्म। आपको प्लेटफॉर्म मिल रहा है अभी, हाउसेस है, हेड गर्ल्स है, हेड बॉयज है, टेक व्हाट एवर इट इज। क्योंकि आई रिपेंट, मैंने कभी पोजीशन लिया नहीं था स्कूल में। सो आई वॉज अ कंप्लीट लाइक, आप में से 80% लोगों जैसा मैं था। आई वॉज अ पीछे, नहीं अपने को वी डोंट वांट इट, क्योंकि इफ आई वाज टोल्ड टू स्पीक ऑन द स्टेज आल्सो आई वाज अफ्रेड। मैं कभी किसी से बात नहीं करता था। एंड पोजीशन तो छोड़ो, क्लास रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हो एंड एवरीथिंग, बट व्हाट चेंज्ड माय completely I changed from the 10th standard when I was a class representative. And then I started learning about leadership. What is that? I am actually an introvert. I didn't had extrovert की कोई outgoing nature नहीं था मेरा. I was sufficient with whatever I was doing. तो मेरी leadership कहाँ पे आ गई? Then I realized when I went to engineering college. So I was a joint secretary. I did all the things there. I played full. एजुकेशन इज इम्पोर्टेंट। सी आपका एकेडमिक्स इम्पोर्टेंट है, वो तो है ही है, लेकिन लाइफ में आपका आउटगो, हाउ यू आर एक्सेप्टेड इन द ये। नाउ आल्सो इंजीनियरिंग, व्हेन आई गो टू अदर सिटीज आल्सो, मोस्ट ऑफ द जूनियर्स दे सी मी, अरे जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी था ना तो 1992 91 में। सो ये याद रखते लोग, एंड दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ हाउ यू हैव बीन प्रेजेंटेड योरसेल्फ। आप लोगों ने आपके जूनियर के साथ कैसा बर्ताव किया है, उनकी क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है। आपको एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिला है बच्चों अभी, कि आपको जो है ना, आपके हाउस मास्टर्स या फिर आपके प्रिंसिपल कोऑर्डिनेटर्स के साथ बात करने का। यू हैव द चैनल नाउ, ओपन चैनल। आपके जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स है, यू हैव टू कम अप, व्हाट विल हैपन। They will say no, लेकिन no होने के बाद as a leader, because last week I have started reading Benjamin Franklin, who is one of the greatest leaders of America. और मुझे अभी लगता है कि यार मैंने ये स्कूल डेज में पढ़ना चाहिए था बुक, because 1710 to 1790 वो जमाना देखो और अपना जमाना देखो, and that too the way he led everything, the way he started from a nowhere, कोई नहीं था, but where he. So now I started reading lot of in the last 2-3 months in the lockdown तो है, बहुत जनों को frustration आ गया है, बहुत जन को है, but how you utilize that? So I am really inspired of Benjamin Franklin की 1700, in fact what, तभी तो अपने पास तो कुछ भी नहीं था। आज everything, we have everything, and we still start complaining about leadership. What it is action. What is the action that I am going to take? ये प्लेटफॉर्म है स्कूल में, जितना भी करना है ना, एकेडमिक्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट, लेकिन एकेडमिक के साथ साथ ये बाकी का जो डेवलपमेंट है ना, बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। बिकॉज नेक्स्ट 10 years बच्चों, दे आर योर डेज। कोई आपको नहीं रोक सकता है, बिकॉज इंडिया को कोई रोक नहीं सकता है सुपर पावर बनने से, बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू बी द सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट इकोनॉमी। तो आपको भी कोई नहीं रोक सकता है। So you have full platform to play in the school. हाँ, you see, जैसा फुटबॉल, how many of you know football? फुटबॉल का एक, you have a playground के बाहर जाता है तभी उसको फाउल कहा जाता है। बट जब आप फुटबॉल ग्राउंड में हो, बास्केटबॉल या फुटबॉल ग्राउंड में हो, तभी आप फुल प्ले करो। Don't hesitate to come up front. Yeah, this is what now we need. Like as Ishan and Samiksha now as head boy and head girl, you should interact with your juniors and identify what are their problems. As leaders, we should solve problems. That is the set. That is, and build up standards so that tomorrow they should emulate you, because he or she was one of the best head boys, head girls of the school. which really understood our problems. Because as students you have lot of problems. आपका तो घर पे कोई सुनता नहीं है या टीचर्स भी नहीं सुनते, तो कौन सुनेगा? So आपके लीडर्स, so you as leaders should listen to them. क्योंकि आपने को हरदम कंप्लेंट है अपने पेरेंट्स की भी, यार मैं जो करने जाता हूँ वो करने नहीं देते, तो स्कूल में आओ तो टीचर नहीं, तो मेरा फेडअप है, क्या लाइफ है? Because I hear a lot of students saying क्या लाइफ है यार, कुछ भी नहीं है, कोई हमको कुछ करने नहीं देता। लेकिन स्कूल में आपका दरिया है, you have a playground, प्लेग्राउंड के बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए। Because if you go beyond the playground, that is a foul. Then there will be a lot of other this thing. So अंदर जितना है ना, understand, read about this. Because if you are a reader today, you are a leader tomorrow. You see all the leaders in life. Don't accept कि यार मुझे election नहीं लड़ना है, क्या करना है ना, why should I be a leader? It is not about political leadership. It is about business leadership. It is about professional leadership. Because there are 4-5 types of leadership. And उसमें से which leadership do you belong to? वो identify करें. And it is really, really important nowadays for the students to participate. क्योंकि मैं हरदम बोलता हूँ कि आपके स्कूल लाइफ में एक हॉबी डेवलप करो, एक ही हॉबी डेवलप करो, focus on that hobby. That will really, really take you to a different level in life. Because we as students, we never had a hobby. And now when in some days we think अरे कुछ भी नहीं आता है, ना पेंटिंग आता है, ना सिंगिंग आता है, कुछ भी नहीं आता है। सिर्फ हम लोगों ने क्या किया, रट्टा मारा, एग्जाम दे दिया, और अभी लाइफ में अभी हम झगड़ रहे। And we feel life is not good. Life is really, really beautiful. Only thing you have to, आपका नजरिया चाहिए. How do you look at your life? It is up to you. Because आज भी whenever my parents used to tell me कि अच्छे बच्चों के साथ रहना चाहिए, have a group of, तभी लगता था यार ये हरदम यही क्यों बात करते हैं। But when I now come to a position and this is, I feel that was one of the best advice they had given me. Apart from education, education was really important. Education is really important. But apart from that, your co-curricular activities are really, really important. I'm really grateful for all of you guys because you are participating. आपका participate अच्छा है, क्योंकि याद आपको ना एकेडमिक का कोई याद नहीं रहेगा स्कूल के बाद, लेकिन जो आपने co-curricular activities किया है, जो leadership position, now you can say Purnima, Ishan, Samiksha, they'll remember that they were head boys, head girls, or house masters or house leaders of that era. After 20 years, when you go back and see what was the one thing that I've achieved in my entire leadership as a head boy, head girl, it has to be click here. क्योंकि कोई लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, एंड आपके जूनियर्स कभी भी आपको मिले लाइफ में, आप 35 years, 40 years, they should know, yes, you were the one of the best head girls, head boys. और take other positions also. ऐसा नहीं कि ये बंद है इतना है, only head boy, head girl. There are a lot of positions. There will be a lot of club membership coming up. Take part in club membership activities. आपका co-curricular activities बढ़ना चाहिए, because that is where your post-education life is there. Education is completely changing now, right? So education change हो रहा है. Now it is completely in a different. It is not the way we studied. It is a complete different way. You have all the tools in your hand. आपके हाथ में सब tools है. आपको क्या use करना है, कैसा use करना है, it is up to you. So as leadership, what I would like, leadership is never taught. आपको सिखाया नहीं जाता है लीडरशिप, इट इज टू बी एक्सपीरियंस्ड. आपको एक्सपीरियंस करनी चाहिए लीडरशिप. You know, all the teachers, they are education leaders now in their own way. And when you experience leadership in whatever business है, business में भी क्या होता है, after some days then you become an association का president बन जाते हो, then you come to see how you are helping. So leadership का एक ही मायना है जो मेरी तरफ से I have learned is how do you help others. That should be our main motto. How do I help my juniors? How do I help my colleagues? How do I help my teachers? How do I help my principal? How do I help my management? Because leadership is both way. It is not one way. It has to have give and take. So बहुत अच्छा chance है. There are around other students also. I would request them कि whenever there is an open position, grab that positions, fight for that positions. जो मजा fighting में से है, जैसा अभी इन लोगों ने voting लिया. It is not, see, failure is one thing. Failure is coming back. ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे कम वोट मिले इसलिए ये नहीं, because failure is what it will help you to have a different experience to come up next time. Like I see a lot of students when I interact with कि मैंने Facebook या मेरा YouTube में कम likes या कम मिले तो I feel frustrated. कोई frustration नहीं, because वो उनका view है. मेरा view ये है, you should go with that view. You should not feel bad about somebody speaking. You should feel good about what you are doing. Like मैं हरदम बात करता हूँ, we cannot change others. हम लोग आप अपने पापा मम्मी को बदलने की कोशिश मत करो, थक जाओगे, क्योंकि हम भी थक गए. What you can do is you can खुद को बदलो. वो जो लाइफ बदल जाएगा ना, वो डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव. डोंट ट्राई टू चेंज द टीचर्स. टीचर्स कभी बदलेंगे नहीं, क्योंकि वो उनका, बिकॉज चेंज योरसेल्फ. सो वो दैट इज वन ऑफ द क्वालिटीज ऑफ लीडरशिप, द एडेप्टेबिलिटी. हाउ डू आई अडेप्ट द एनवायरनमेंट? सो एडेप्टेबिलिटी इज, एज अ लीडर, if I'm not a leader, I'll have breakdowns. और मेरे breakdowns होने के बाद लगेगा यार, nobody is asking me what is happening, why should I do this? These are the questions. Then when you have a breakdown, these questions come, why should I do this? This is not my responsibility. यार ये बहुत काम है यार. So this is a question of breakdowns. So how do you open up for breakthroughs? And that is a quality of a successful leader. Adaptability, flexibility, reading a lot, knowing how I can help my entire, how I can create a community, how I can create positive atmosphere in the school. क्योंकि school एक हम लोग जो मंदिर है, it is like a temple where every energy is so huge. जो घर का एनर्जी में आपने करने नहीं था, वो स्कूल में करने जाते हैं. So एनर्जी बहुत है. So उसको और कैसे बढ़ाए? If you see in the break, or if you see in lunch breaks, or when a school is closed up, कितना एनर्जी रहता है, कितना आवाज रहता है, वो इम्पोर्टेंट है. वो आवाज, वो ये, because that is life, that will be remembered. उसको दबाने की क्या कोशिश करेंगे? हाँ, क्लास में तो सब अपने को दबाते हैं, वो तो that is because we need to learn. But now learning has shifted to home also. Nowadays you are learning from home. It is not from the school, and it is guided by the teachers. So यहाँ तो आवाज करने ही कोई नहीं देगा. अरे क्या अकेले करेंगे तो लोग बोलेंगे, अरे इसको क्या हो गया, खुद क्यों उछल पुतर क्या कर रहे हैं बाकी के साथ. लेकिन क्लास में और इसमें इट्स अ डिफरेंट एटमॉस्फेयर. सो वो एटमॉस्फेयर हम लोग कैसे करेंगे? So that is the beauty of being in the top leadership. So not taking much of that, I really congratulate everyone of all the teachers, all the students who have participated, because नहीं तो क्या बोलेगा, why should I vote? ये भी बहुत सारा है, because I know a lot of out of teachers also बोलेंगे कि why should I vote? अरे बहुत वोट करने ये right है, so use that right, whatever it is. So when somebody questions it, it questions the entire democracy of India. Why should I don't know how many of you have missed out the opportunity of right of voting, general में भी और आजकल के इसमें भी. Don't miss this opportunity. लेकिन अगर हम लोग नहीं करेंगे तो और कौन करेगा? In fact, it should start from the teachers. 100% voting. Let us try. That is why India is not moving beyond 50 or 60% of voting. क्योंकि हर एक को लगता है मेरे वोट से क्या फर्क पड़ने वाला है. It is not like that. It is your view, or it is your stand on what you want to do. बस एक किसी को एक वोट मिले या 2 मिनट, the courage they have to stand is important, and we have to respect that. हम लोग डेमोक्रेसी में सिविक्स पढ़ाते हैं हम लोग, right? So civics कितना मार्क्स का? 20 मार्क्स का. And lifelong we want to operate everyone in the civics mode. डेमोक्रेसी है, ये है, वो है, लेकिन फ्रॉम द स्कूल प्लेटफॉर्म ओनली 100% वोटिंग नहीं होती है. So we should ensure 100% voting कैसे हो जाए. We should ensure I like the speeches what Samiksha and Ishan gave when they were asking for votes. Beautiful. All the other participants also. I love the speeches. Great. This is the platform. You could really improve your communication skills because leaders have one of the best communication skills. You won't believe. But every leader you speak, they have better communication skills. उनकी जो बात बताने का तरीका होता है ना, amazing होता है. And so it is all about 4 C's. Like हम लोग जो बात करते हैं, creativity, critical thinking, communication and collaboration. So ये leaders की 4 qualities तो हमेशा रहनी चाहिए. अगर नहीं है तो automatically आपकी develop हो जाएगी. After my college, I have taken most of the leadership. I have been secretary of most of the organization. मेरी society का भी ना, for the last 15 years I am the secretary. Or in my organization where I work with the government of Maharashtra, I was the secretary of Officers Association. Then in businesses also, I am a president of so many organizations because I love to be there. I love to help people. और वो अभी मेरा ये हो गया है, वो DNA में आ गया है कि कहीं पे भी पोजीशन होगी ना, ग्रैब करो. चलो उसमें से I learned a lot from all these things. जो मैंने स्कूल में नहीं सीखा ना, ये लीडरशिप पोजीशन से बहुत सीखा है. So I urge every one of you, take time. आज जाओ बाहर, कुछ नहीं होता है. फेलियर तो फेलियर है. This is just a step, one step towards success. You can come out of that. एकेडमिक्स में कैसा 2-4 मार्क्स कम ज्यादा हो जाता है, लेकिन ये लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्निंग है. दिस इज एंड ऑलवेज कीप इन माइंड, यू आर वर्किंग लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्निंग मोड में रहो. ऐसा मत कहो कि 10th स्टैंडर्ड हो गया खत्म हो गया, 12th स्टैंडर्ड हो गया खत्म हो गया, ग्रेजुएशन हो गया खत्म हो गया. इट इज नॉट. लर्निंग इज नेवर एंडिंग. मार्क माय वर्ड, आप थक मत जाओ अभी, यार बहुत हो गया ये पढ़ाई. लर्निंग इज लाइफ लॉन्ग. आपको अच्छा लगे या नहीं, but be a better person. So I would request most of, because अभी तो मैंने कहा 47 participants, इसमें से videos off है, right? And there are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people whose videos are on. So can we have all the video parties on your videos, because that is where you know कि पार्टिसिपेशन में, यस, जहां जिसका भी रेंजेस का प्रॉब्लम है, दे कैन स्विच ऑफ, दे कैन हैव देयर वीडियोस ऑफ. लेकिन जिसके इसमें है, दे कैन ऑलवेज ओपन योर वीडियोस हैव, बिकॉज़ इट इज अ मीटिंग, इट इज नॉट वन वे कम्युनिकेशन. अगर मुझे किसी से बात करने के, इफ आई सी पीपल अराउंड ओनली देन आई कैन स्पीक. अगर मुझे कोई दिख नहीं रहा तो मैं क्या बोलूंगा, मैं अकेले के बात कर रहा हूं. आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग टू माय सेल्फ, या blah blah. So when I see expressions, then I can really understand कि वो समझ रहा है कि नहीं समझ रहा है, तो मैं अपना बात करते ही जा रहा हूं. So whenever there is a meeting, there is a difference between a meeting and a webinar. Whenever there is meeting, always open your because see, now we have to adapt the change. कोविड ने हमको बहुत सिखाया अभी लाइफ में कि स्कूलिंग भी ऑनलाइन हो गई, लेकिन हाउ डू आई ओपन अप, हाउ डू आई सी, हाउ डू आई एक्सप्रेस माई सेल्फ. सो again, from the students, you should help the leaders to really build the school in a school culture in a better way. आपकी जो भी problems है, your first step is as a student you should approach your leaders, and leaders you should be open to suggestions. बात करो उनसे, क्या problems, whenever you find something, don't say कि यार वो बहुत जूनियर है, 6th स्टैंडर्ड के ऊपर से, उसके नीचे प्राइमरी में पता नहीं चलता ज्यादातर, बट एटलीस्ट आपका वोटिंग जो दायरा है 6th स्टैंडर्ड से, एटलीस्ट स्टार्ट इंटरेक्टिंग विद देयर मॉनिटर्स. ये कि व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम, इज देयर एनीथिंग, हाउ यू कैन हेल्प. हैव अ काउंसिल, आपकी काउंसिल मीटिंग जैसा कैबिनेट मिनिस्ट्री होती है. सो डेवलप अ काउंसिल एंड स्टार्ट डिस्कसिंग अबाउट व्हाट यू कैन कम अप विद बेटर आइडियाज. Put the ideas to the coordinators and the principal. आपको राइट है, जो भी मांग के लेने का है मांग के ले लो, देगा नहीं देगा वो बात है, वो लेट्स नॉट थिंक अबाउट कि नहीं देने वाला इसलिए मैं क्यों मांगू, लेकिन वी शुड हैव a complete strategy about कि these are, put out everything in writing, these are our demands and we think this is now important. Convince the school management कि how it is important. और जब आप किसी को कन्विंस करने जाओगे ना, you are like, we know now we have one of the best of best prime ministers who can really have a straight word with all of them and leading from the front. There were a lot of leaders in the entire India who are leading, from business leaders, which I follow a lot of, because from a business, I'm from a business background, I follow a lot, and they come straight. And how to put a word कि मेरी मांगे कैसी रखनी चाहिए? How do I put my words so that my teachers, the management, principal and management understand कि these are the needs of the students of this generation. आप अपनी बात मत करो 35 years, 40 years की, आज की हम लोग बात करते हैं. So this is where you should come out of leadership, and this is one of the best platforms. I missed my platforms in my school days. I really sometimes feel कि I should have been pro, लेकिन आज पता चलता है. So don't miss this platform. Use this platform to develop your skills. I'm not talking about academics. Academics तो आप करोगे, क्योंकि academics के पीछे आपके बजाय आपके टीचर्स और पेरेंट्स आपके पीछे है academics के लिए. लेकिन ये skills के लिए आपको खुद को आना है आगे. Nobody will let you know कि play. The second one is play one of the best sports. कौन सा भी sports हो, play one sport. I used to love football, लेकिन वो जान दो बाद में करेंगे बाद में, लेकिन बाद में कभी नहीं आया. I used to love volleyball because I represented my houses, and in athletics I represented my house. I represented the school in the hurdle race. लेकिन I could not excel beyond some points. That is where I repent. अभी लगता है यार, I should have taken that yes करके ना. एक sport तो I still love football. By the way, I'm really for footballers because school में हम वही अच्छा खेलते थे और बहुत मजा आता था. And football has given a lot of lessons. Team player कैसा होता है, where is your forwards, who are your back, and who's your goalkeeper. ये जब whenever you put it in a perspective of life, you know किसने कौन सी responsibilities करनी चाहिए. A center forward cannot go to a back and defend everyone. He is a center forward and he should be a center forward. So these things lot of come out of sport. So एक sport कौन सा भी हो, एक sport अच्छा खेलो and एक hobby develop करो. And once again, not taking much of your Sunday times and giving you more time for your Sunday, because 11 o'clock we are meeting with our toppers. They have really made us really proud, and they are our toppers. Let's learn from them. because सबसे सीखने जैसा रहता है. It is not that a 5th standard students cannot teach. They can teach us a life lesson. So we should open for all the learnings. हम लोगों का ये दिमाग में रहने चाह रही है बच्चा ये क्या सिखाएगा. They have the best of best thoughts. They have the best of best open-minded. So we as leaders should be open-minded. Let's be open-minded. Once again, on behalf of the entire school and management, congratulate to all the leaders, all of you, and let's make a better place for all the students, because in the next 2 or 3 months we'll open up. It's not going, COVID is not going to stay long now. In June, max by post Diwali or pre Diwali, we should be ready with an amazing, with energetic, क्योंकि आप मालूम है मिलने के बाद क्या मस्ती करने और मस्ती रहने दो. Your voice should be at the light. आपको अगर कोई बंद करने के लिए बोलेगा तो बहुत this is my right. हम तो सिर्फ कौन सा प्लेग्राउंड में रहो, प्लेग्राउंड के बाहर मत जाओ, because there are rules beyond that. There will be stringent actions होते हैं, क्योंकि फुटबॉल में आप अगर प्लेग्राउंड के बाहर जाते तो आपको डिस्क्वालीफाई किया जाता है, बहुत जगह डिस्क्वालीफाई किया जाता है. तो प्लेग्राउंड के बाहर मत जाओ. प्लेग्राउंड में जो भी होगा ना, enjoy your days, enjoy your school life, क्योंकि स्कूल लाइफ बाद में नहीं आता है. स्कूल लाइफ एक बार ही आता है. कॉलेज लाइफ बाद में आ सकता है, क्योंकि कॉलेज में मैं आज भी आई प्रीफर टू डू MBA फ्रॉम हार्वर्ड. सो कॉलेज लाइफ में कर सकता हूँ आज भी, but I cannot do my school life. So school life कभी नहीं आता है. Enjoy school life. Earn your respect. Because when you give respect to students and everyone, give respect to teachers. Only then you will earn respect. If you are not respecting your teachers, nobody will respect you in life. So that is the hard lessons we have also learned. क्योंकि बच्चों के टाइम में ना हम लोग अपने अपने मस्ती में रहते हैं. So we should respect everyone, not only teachers, everyone. Life is all about respect, give and take. अगर मैं रिस्पेक्ट दे रहा हूँ तो आई गेट रिस्पेक्ट. तो आपको क्या लगता है यार nobody respects me यार. What is this? Whatever. अरे boss, it is two way. If you give respect, you receive respect. What goes around comes around. Givers gain है वो. जब हम लोग देंगे तभी मिलेगा. So देने की बात करेंगे हम लोग. How we can help everybody? People will help us. So thank you very much. मैंने बहुत ज्यादा टाइम लिया. ज्ञान हो गया. संडे ज्ञानबाजी ज्यादा नहीं होनी चाहिए. आप लोग बोलते होंगे अरे यार सर देखो आधे से 5-6 दिन से बोले तो ज्यादा ही होने वाला है. So thank you very much. Over to you, Ashish.
Yes. Thank you, sir, for your valuable guidance. So, as you said, the participation is the first initiative towards to be a leader. So, participate, students. So, participate, reveal, and express yourself. And I just want to be one thing for you. I want to express one thing for you. If you want to develop a leadership in you, so you should, with IQ, intelligent quotient, you should develop your EQ also, emotional quotient. So that is most important thing to be a leader. So now I would like to call Sushma Miss for vote of thanks. Sushma Miss, over to you.
leaders are not born, but they are created. Every child in our school is making a leader for tomorrow. Let the world be proud of you because you are born to lead the world. We are glad that we leaders in making for the future. Wishing you all great morning on behalf of Student Council. A great leader's courage to do things comes from passion, not from position. Good morning, Honorable Chairman, Synergy Foundation, Mr. Sandeepan Reddy, sir, our principal, Mrs. Bhavika Shah, teachers and parents. It is our proud privilege to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of Synergy National School and Students Council batch of 2020-21 on this day. Our sincere thanks to our chairman, Synergy Foundation, for giving this occasion. We would like to extend our thanks to Mrs. Bhavika Shah, the principal of this institution, who continue to inspire us to come with zeal and dedication. Behind every successful program lies the efforts of our committed faculty. I would also like to thank the support staff of the school for their contribution to the development of this institution. Finally, it is important that we acknowledge the unconditional love and support given to us by our parents where we stand today. The combination of hard work and efforts, and we know that we can go further with the renewed confidence that you all be there to celebrate our victories. We once again thank you all for your support and in making this function a grand success. Thank you.
So bye everyone. We will end up over here. So everyone bye.
Thank you so much, everyone, for attending today's ceremony. Thank you, and have a good day.
Thank you. Let's meet at 11 o'clock on the Facebook, on the webinar. And so thank you. Congratulations, Samiksha, Ishan, then Sanskruti, then you have
thank you, sir.
Abhishek, Purnima, मस्ती करो, मजा करो, अपने अपने हाउस को जिताओ. अभी क्या क्या कर रहा है, पार्टिसिपेशंस लेके आओ. So you will develop your own skills. So it's going to be fun, right? तो पार्टिसिपेशन का हाउस अपना जीतना ही चाहिए. कौन सा भी हाउस हो जीतना चाहिए. और उसमें how you can take lot of participation. सबको पुश करो, क्योंकि पुश करने से ये होता है. किसी को बोला ना करो नहीं, but later on they'll realize कि अरे यार अच्छा वो तो आपने ये कर दिया. So thank you once again, everyone. Yeah.
Thank you so much, everyone, sir, and congratulate everyone, and congratulate all the elected members of Synergy National School. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Have a good day.